The new presidential private jet wey Bola Ahmed Tinubu new buy and other ones they say China don seize am with France as e be like this now e don red. My people, things are happening in this country. How these governors are be taking money and the money they are borrowing from China, they are not paying it back. As e be like this now, they say that the presidential jet of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they don't carry am e don red though. My wonderful people, as we dey talk that one of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu brother don come outside tell the Biafrans to visit all the whole Twitters, handles, Facebook and Instagram of all human rights activists so that they will know what is happening. They have 7 days to do this so that everyone will get a hand on the desk and work so that all these people will get the information. But I will tell you people the reactions of the Biafrans. As we dey talk right now, Nigerians are very, very angry for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the way they run in government, especially for Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt no one use hear anything concerning APC. As it be like this now for that area, they say that there's no need of peaceful protest, that the next protest that will come should be a protest that will make sure say they target all government properties. You go hear am for here as they talk am. My wonderful people, please, as you dey watch this video, they share am. Let us jump on the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu issue. What a brother write on his Facebook account. He said that the all Biafrans have to visit all the whole human rights organizations, Twitter and all their Facebook, their Instagram, all their social media handles to officially inform them of what is happening. But I think that IPOB have gone beyond this level, and this is what the people are also responding, that they have gone beyond this level. Now is era of self-defense. You buy me, I buy you. You understand? Hey, you want come buy me, then I go first buy you. That's why now waiting the people where they follow am reply for that side. My brother, no be small thing. Then now we come dey hear say the private jet wey Nigeria dey manage, they say China and France don kolobi come carry am because of one governor for Ogun, abi dey so for Ogun state go carry am go loan money na the money wey they come loan now make they come carry the private jet. As it be like this now, Nigeria dey hold gbese and the Tinubu presidential, hey, make they no pull bill say they wan buy another presidential jet since we say they don't hold that one e don red. However, my people, let us watch this video and hear the kind verse where Port Harcourt people dey verse for this government. Just settle down and watch the video and share.
If you want to protest, it go straight government property. Government go now no say yes, it the first. Not be say you go to protest. They sing Jayama. They can live praise Allah, single praise. They use praise Allah. They do protest. It goes for government property. Government go kill government. You have to tell you. Then they will not know say yeah, you the first.
Like what happened in Kenya?
Yes.
You believe that if protest is not violent, government will not do it?
Yes. Even if government has push off a house, scatter everywhere, make thunder fire everybody. You go do it there, see, government will shoot you, no way. You shoot the government. When I do challenge, anybody will pass each other, they know who be who. You have to tell you, they know who be who. Then government will not know say for masses now the best for them. Even their motor will pass for road, they need to catch their motor, break and scatter them, make thunder fire them one after the other. You have to tell you, yes.
And we've protested, we've gone around. It seems the thing did not even touch Tinubu finger. So just like you are pouring water on top cock when it shakes like this.
Everything have escalated, gone worse, from worse to worse. Like it was worse, but it's now.
Understand? They are busy feeding their pockets. They are not after or bothered about the masses or people that has voted them into the position. You know, they don't care about the public. They don't care about the masses.
Experience as a Nigerian, how does it feel right now living in the country?
Living in the country is very harsh. Too harsh. When you look at the monthly earners and even the daily business people, nothing is coming out. After buying things you decide to sell or cook or whatever, you end up adding your own money to go and buy things from the market. Things are very expensive and Nigerians are suffering. Our leaders are enjoying. Their children is outside this country and they don't even care about what is happening to the citizens. So the Nigeria entirely is angry.
How you go tell me say you come out for protest? About the get outside, they tell you say at the protest, make una the protest. Man, I dey here the chop belle full. After that, the protest finish. Government no even have sense to reduce or call these people who they do this protest to say, nah, wetin be na problem? Wetin be na problem? Oya more do like this, more do like this. Government no one listen. Government no one listen. Then just they look us. Everybody they suffer. They suffer. Nobody want, not even if you come protest, that one on your own. If you want to protest, you go spray government property. Government go now no say yes, it the first. Not be say you go to protest. They sing Jayama. They carry leave. Praise Allah, single, praise Allah. They use praise Allah. They do protest. You go spray government property. Government go kill you. Go kill government. You know what I tell you? Then they will not no say yeah, you the first.
Like what happened in Kenya?
Yes.
You believe that if protest is not violent, government will not do it?
Yes. Even if the government has push off your house, but scatter everywhere, make thunder for everybody. Because we are suffering. Now, I'm not even feed my children as I'm talking to you now. For me to eat now and war. If as I day here now, I don't know what to say, sir, but I mean, I don't provoke. Even if not to death, no more will make everybody. Shall make a more day. Or may they give us our Biafra. Peter B winning here, they're not going to give Peter B vote. Now they say that Tinubu. Now they don't put Tinubu there now. Now nobody, everybody now they support Tinubu. And they go first. And they go, I can wait. When Peter B win, poor widow, smart children, everyone knows that Peter B win. But why they can't give Tinubu? As they give a Tinubu there outside, one leg there outside, one leg there inside office. In the high fuel price. I didn't know say fuel price, and I be the worst of everything. Since that I increase fuel, everything and done scatter. Poor people now no fit chop. We no fit chop. Now people now know that them can't get to work. Nothing, not everything done scatter.
So this is the worst situation in Nigeria.
Yeah, you see, I tell you, anybody will tell you, say, hellfire and heaven. You know what I tell you? Hellfire is here. Nigeria is in hellfire as I'm talking to you now. You know what I tell you? As I'm talking to you now, I'm inside hellfire. You know what I tell you?
Nigeria is the worst place.
Yes, hellfire. That is hellfire.
So you are saying the worst is coming, like a protest is more.
You see, I tell you, if you come out to protest, if you come, the government go kill you, then go kill you, keep you, render you, nothing they come out. If you want to come out for protest, you go say government, you go do it there, see, government will shoot you, no way. You shoot government. When I do challenge, anybody will pass each other, they know who be who. You know what they tell you, they know who be who. Then government go now know say, but masses not the best for them. Even their motor, where pass for road, they need to catch their motor, break and scatter them, make thunder fire like them one after the other. You know what they tell you? Yes.
And we've protested, we've gone round. It seems the thing did not even touch Tinubu finger.
Welcome back, my wonderful people, and so you be, and I will say more carry am come show na as it dey happen for the area. And I don't hear that Nigerians are very angry, and what the leaders will do is to implement to pass a bill of laws. If you protest, you go to 10 years imprisonment. If you no sing national anthem, you go to 10 years imprisonment. If you insult politicians, you go to 2 years imprisonment. If you do this one, you go to imprisonment. This is the solution this government is going to find. When they tell you that when Ishaki, when they hear it be Ishaki, when Igbo people call Ishaki, it means that person head, nothing there inside, are in government. This is the kind of policy they made. When Aboros are in government, this is the kind of policy. They think that he's standing in the road collecting money from boss, collecting money from Owomida, collecting money from being a Morila. You want you build half our land. My father brother want me to say na be the rule of government. So as I don't talk now, maybe they prepare the 2 years. Then as I don't talk of politician, because this time around, this policy war that they make now go end all this government war that they now go end the government, because people are very angry. And the people sit down do military with old cargoes. You come up with the idea of implementing financing national item. If Nigeria do okay, if you change anything, people will definitely sing it. You understand? But people they hunger. They tell them that they sing new national item. Where we say the old one self. Millions of Nigeria can't even just do social experiment in the road. Millions of Nigeria cannot even sing the old national item. Arise a compatriot, Abana's a compa. Millions of Nigeria can't sing it. Then you are coming with new national item where people they tell you say that they hunger. For you people to come with the solution, okay, look at what we have do, look at what we will do, look at how this one will be. Let's do this, let's try this. You want to shut them up so that they will not talk about Tinubu government. God. However, it don't be as it don't be. And I say I bring a con give on. I thank God say I no be evil. I know from here self. Because if I from here, it would invest me more. I believe that one day my people will rise up. I will say no to this nonsense. That day our freedom is sure. Share for more updates.